Hey friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your sound output device on Windows 11. Now the first way you can do this is to click the speaker icon in the lower right hand side on your taskbar. Once you click on that, you'll find a volume icon here, and towards the right you have some little option here. It's basically this option to select a sound output. Once you click on that, you'll have different output devices. Here you can see I have headphones. It also shows speaker, and also shows, for example, the output of my next monitor. So that could also be used as my output device. So I can choose which one of them I want to, and that's basically going to set an output device right here for me. Another way how to change output device is to go ahead and right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and go into settings. Once you're under the settings section, click on the system on the left side and click on sound. Here you'll find your output devices as well, and you can go ahead and choose as well from here by clicking the radio button. So that's another way how you can change your output device. And another way how you can actually do this as well is under the same section right here, systems, sound. You want to scroll down a bit, guys, and you will find under the advanced section, volume mixer. Once you click on that, this is going to show you a section for apps as well. And here's a system that you can also do as well. So here on the volume mixer, you can basically change the output device from here as well. But if you scroll down for apps, you will find some apps that you have right here. And for example, Google Chrome, I could set it. I could click the drop down here, and here you will find the output devices for apps, and you can set those output devices for apps as well. Why are you seeing these apps? These apps are basically whenever you are working with, for example, your microphone or whatever it is, headphones or whatever, in any of those apps, you will need to allow those application access to your microphone or your speaker. And so once you do that, those will automatically appear here. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's how you can easily change your sound output device on Windows 11.